What's up, all my fellow entrepreneurs, auto detailers, lawn maintenance guys, everybody out there that's making a name for themselves and running their own business. So today I want to review and show you what I got on Amazon today. So I bought an air compressor. I stepped up my game to clean interiors, and I'm using an air compressor now. So I was like, wait, let me look into a Vortex or a Tornador or something like that, right? Or something on the lines of that. So without breaking the bank, I found the Joint Stars professional cleaning tools, and it's similar to the Vortex and the Tornador with the swirling tool inside. And I figured I would give you a couple notes that I noticed fresh out the box. So here's the unit. Overall, pretty good build. I like the black. You know, the black scheme that they have on there. There's a reservoir if you want to put solution in there for clean interiors, carpets, whatever. Your valve. So right there is air only, and up is to get solution. Okay, so fresh out the box, one thing I did notice: when you connect it to the air hose, it leaks air, and that because this input, that quick connect, does not seat correctly into a 1/4 inch coupler correctly. So let me set y'all up here and let me set it up for y'all. I'll make fun of my racks, guys. I know. I need to clean them a little bit. Check it out. Connect it. So when I'm moving around, you hear that? It's leaking air. Right? So starting off, it's not. The build is, my goodness, the build is good. The quality, doesn't feel cheap. The only thing is that connection right there. Other than that, I'm running it at 90 psi, which is the recommended psi for the Tornadors and stuff like that. Doesn't say the CFM, but it cleans. It does what it's supposed to. What I'm gonna be using it for is for the Vortex action. Yeah, I could have got a Vortex and this and that, but I wanted to try this out. I might try the solution, but overall, I tried switching that coupler out, or that connection, and it doesn't fit, so I have to go pick up a size that'll fit a 1/4 inch, a little bit more snug than that, because I want to try it like that, and I don't want it to bleed air. So let me show you, man. I just have water in it right now, but let me show you. Let me set up like a dirty floor mat that I have here. To see how it cleans. All right, so this is just air. Blew it off. All right, and this is water. See, it's leaking air already. Blow the water off. So overall, like I said, not too bad of a quality. Let's say it did clean that floor mat, and it does what it's supposed to do. But a couple things, I know Joint Stars has a YouTube account, so if you're watching, that inlet doesn't fit a 1/4 inch coupler. Yeah, a 1/4 inch coupler. And other than that, that's the only complaint I have so far of it. I have a couple cars to detail during the week, and I'm gonna use it and see how it works. But as of right now, a non-biased review about it, because I don't see many people using it. It's for the price. I paid $50 for the black one. For the price, it's great. Okay, for what I'm going to use it for, it's great. I don't need a Tornador. I don't need all this, you know. And if I don't end up using it, it was $50, you know. But if I do, it's a great investment. I want to try it out with the air compressor and everything, and I want to see how it performs. But overall, I mean, I'll take it. Look at that. It had some dirt and stuff like that. It just has some water on it, and it works. It works fine. You know, but the true way that I clean, I would like to blow off the interiors, you know, get all that extra stuff off the carpets and the dash and stuff like that, and then wipe it down. But that's just a quick review about this Joint Stars air detailing tool. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Add us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. Yeah, we do that too. Twitter. I think we have a Twitter. Yeah, but other than that, guys, thank you so much. I'm trying to grow this channel to 100 subscribers. We're almost there. We're past halfway there. I think last time I checked it was like 62 subscribers. But other than that, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for disliking. Whatever you think I might be doing on this channel, if you like it, please, by all means, that helps us out a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.